Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video we'll cover chapter 3, topic is give and take, part 5 from class 3rd Maths NCERT book. You can watch starting chapters and part 1 to 4 of this topic using the links given in the description. Let's start with our video. So we will start with very small story. Here is very interesting story in front of you. I'll explain what is written over here line by line. Okay, so let's start. Once a baby lion lost his way in the jungle. So here is the baby lion. He lost his way in the jungle. He started crying and called out for his mother. As you know, this is baby, so was scared and calling out for his mother. An old deer took pity on him. This was the old deer. He took pity on him because these are all animals in the jungle. So this old deer saw this baby lion and took pity on him, and how he helped? He took him to his place. So this deer took him to his place. But now at the place of deer where this deer was living, there were other animals who were also living. There were more deers and their friends like rabbit, squirrels and birds. So what happens? But the other deer got really scared. So did their other friends, rabbit, squirrels and birds. So after looking at this baby lion, all the animals were very scared. A lion among us. Oh no, he will eat up our babies. The old deer said, don't worry, I will warn him about this. So other animals were very scared because they saw this lion in their place and they were worried about their babies as well as their own life. So this old deer told them, I will warn him about this. He won't do any damage to their animals or their friends. Then what happened next? In the morning, the baby lion thanked everyone and started to leave. So whole night this baby lion stayed, and in the morning they started to leave. He started to leave. But a rabbit said, this rabbit said something. What he said? Wait, he cannot go like this. Let us count to see if he has done any mischief. This rabbit suggested, let us count all the animals and see if everyone is there. We should be 240 in all. Before this baby lion came into their place, they were 240 in number. So what this rabbit is suggesting? He is saying, let's count everyone and see if we are still 240. So let's see what happened next. Tillu counted rabbits and deer. So there is another animal who counted rabbit and deer. And what he found? There were 27 rabbits and 48 deers. Then old deer counted birds and squirrels. So these birds and squirrels were counted by old deer, and he found 124 birds and 38 squirrels. Now we got some numbers. And what we are trying to find out? We are trying to find out total number of animals. And in this case, we have to add all these 4 numbers together. So adding 4 number will be difficult task. So what we'll do? We'll add these 2 numbers first. Means we'll add the number of rabbit and deer together. So let's start adding these 2 numbers. So number of deer, we'll write number of deer 48. Number of rabbits, we'll write 27. And if you observe it carefully, we have written 8 and 7 in same column or under ones place. So this is at ones place, this 7 is at ones place. These 2 numbers will be written in one column or under ones place. Similarly, this 2 and 4, these 2 numbers are tens place digit, right? So these 2 numbers will go under tens place, and then we can add these 2 numbers together. So let's add. If you add 7 to 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now if we want to add 7 to 8, we can start counting after 8 till we add 7 to it. So after 8, we'll count 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So how much we'll get? 15. It means we'll take 5 and this is tens place digit. So this tens place will move as a carry over this place or tens place. So we'll keep 1 as a carry. In case if we got 25, then this 2 might have moved to this tens place. But I don't want to confuse you. We got 15, so 5 will be written over here, 1 will go up as a carry. Then we'll add these three numbers together, 2, 4 and 1. So if you add 4 and 1, we'll get 5, and 5 and 2, 5 and 2 means 6 and 7, so we'll get 7. So in total we got 75. Total number of rabbit and deer is 75. So let's move to next. Now we have counted deer and rabbits. Now we'll count total number of birds and squirrels. Again we'll write in same way, total number of birds and number of squirrels. So birds are 124, squirrels are 38. Again we have written these digits under ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now we'll start adding these two numbers together. If you add, always we will start from right side, rightmost or ones place digit. So if you add 8 and 4, we'll get 12, and we'll take 2 here. So this 2 will go here and one carry will move to here. In this tens place, we'll add all the three numbers. 3 and 2 will give us 5, 3, 4, 5. So added 2 will give us 5, and after 5 we'll add one more, we'll get 6. We'll get 6 here, and there is no carryover because we got single digit number 6. So whatever is there, 1 plus, we don't have to add anything, so 1 will come as it is. So in total we'll get 162 as our answer, right? So now what we found, total number of birds and squirrels are 162. Now we'll see what next. We have calculated birds and squirrels are 162, deer and rabbits are 75, and we want to know how many altogether. It means we have to add these two numbers. Now we can add number of birds and squirrels. This is 162, this is 162. Number of deer and rabbits are 75. Okay, so we have calculated these two numbers. If you add these two numbers, 5 and 2 will give us 7, 6 and 7 will give us 13. So 6 and 7 will give us 13, and this one will move to as a carryover this 100 place digit. If you add 1 plus 1, it will give us 2. So we will get finally 237. Now what we have got this, what is this number? This is the total number of animals after counting number of rabbits, deers, birds and squirrels. This bird and squirrels. So after counting all animals together, we got 237. It means now 240 is bigger number, 230 is less number. Now we can say some animals are missing. And how many missing? 238, 239, 240. I counted after 237. And we can see 3 animals are missing. Now here's the question. Can you guess now if baby lion can go back home? Has the baby lion eaten up any animal? No, baby lion cannot go home now. There were 240 animals, but now there are only 237 of them. So baby lion has eaten up 3 animals. So baby lion did mischief to these animals who helped, and he cannot go home now. So let's move to another question. Here we have another word problem. So this is the factory and this is factory where bulbs are made. Okay, so these are the bulbs. So in this factory these bulbs are designed. So what is written over there, 270 bulbs are made on first day. On second day it made 123 bulbs. How many bulbs did factory make all together? So first day they made, or factory made 270 bulbs. Second day factory made 123 bulbs. So now we'll try to add these two. And here also another question, 270 plus 123, is the sum more than 350 or less than 350? Because these are the two numbers. So they are asking to identify if in total how many bulbs are made. Is it more than 350? If you add 100 to 270, we'll get 370. So yes, it is more than 350. And these are the number written over here. This is the bulb made on first day. This is the bulb made on second day. And if you add these two numbers together, we get 393. So yes, total number of bulbs factory made to all together is 393. So here we end this video. Hope you have enjoyed.